Hi, this is me यशस्वी आचार्य and welcome to the crazy world of crypto. वैसे मैंने आज आप लोगों के लिए बहुत सारी रिसर्च करी है because I want you to know कि क्रिप्टो के ट्रेंडिंग वर्ल्ड में आखिर चल क्या रहा है. तो your wish is my command. 12 most popular types of cryptocurrency. While Bitcoin may be the first major cryptocurrency to hit the market, it debuted in 2009. Many others have become highly popular even if not quite as large as the original. Here are the largest cryptocurrencies by the total dollar value of the coins in existence, that is the market capitalization or market cap. Largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Number 1, Bitcoin. वैसे इसका short form है BTC. Easier, right? As the harbinger of the cryptocurrency era, Bitcoin is still the coin people generally reference when they talk about digital currencies. इसके जो mysterious creator हैं, Satoshi Nakamoto, debuted the currency in 2009 and it's been on roller coaster ride since then. However, it wasn't until 2017 that the cryptocurrency broke into popular consciousness. Number 2, Ethereum यानी कि ETH. Ethereum, the name of cryptocurrency platform, is the second name you're most likely to recognize in crypto space. The system allows you to use Ether to perform number of functions. But the smart contract angle of Ethereum helps make it popular currency. Binance Coin. BNB, shorter form, आसानी से याद भी रहेगा, है ना? Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance, among the largest crypto exchanges in the world. While originally created as the token to pay for discounted trades, Binance Coin can now be used for payments as well as purchasing various goods and services. Amazing, right? Cardano, also known as ADA. Cardano is the cryptocurrency platform behind ADA, the name of the currency created by the co-founder of Ethereum. Cardano also uses smart contracts enabling identity management. Number 5, Solana, also known as SOL. Launched in March 2020, Solana is a newer cryptocurrency and it touts its speed at completing transactions and overall robustness of its web-scale platform. The issuance of the currency called SOL is capped at 480 million coins. Ooh, so many coins. Tether ke do aage Tether? No, I'm not talking about that Tether or Tether. I'm talking about Tether USDT. Tether's price is anchored at $1 per coin. That's because it's called a stable coin. Stable coins are tied to the value of specific asset. In Tether's case, the US dollar Tether often acts as a medium when traders move from one cryptocurrency to another. Rather than move back to dollars, they use Tether. However, some people are concerned that Tether isn't safely backed by dollars held in reserve, but Instant uses a short-term form of unsecured step. अब टाइम आता है XRP के बारे में बात करने में. वैसे इसका कोई शॉर्ट फॉर्म नहीं है. Formerly known as Ripple and created in 2012, XRP offers a way to pay in many different real-world currencies. Ripple can be useful in cross-border transactions and uses a trustless mechanism to facilitate payments. Polkadot, इसमें से Polka को हटा दो और रह गया Civ. Launched in May 2020, Polkadot is a digital currency that connects the technology of blockchain from many different cryptocurrencies. A co-founder of Ethereum is one of the Polkadot inventors, and some industry watchers believe Polkadot is looking to dethrone Ethereum. Fishy, right? Well, this one is my favorite, Dogecoin, also known as Doge. Originally created as a joke after the run-up in Bitcoin, Dogecoin takes its name from an internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog. Unlike many digital currencies limiting the number of coins in existence, Dogecoin has unlimited issuance. It can be used for payments or sending money. USD coin, also known as USDC. Like Tether, USD coin is a stable coin pegged to the dollar, meaning that its value should not fluctuate. The currency's founders say that it's backed by fully reserved assets or those with equal fair value, and those assets are held in the accounts with regulated US institutions. In all honesty, personally, मुझे ये Shiba Inu dog देख करके बड़ी हंसी आती थी on the internet, and I never thought कि ये meme से सीधा cryptocurrency बन जाएगा. Now it's time for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is the latest dog-based meme token to see its price soar in very short amount of time. It is an Ethereum-based altcoin that was anonymously created in August 2020. ये तो झूठ है यार, मतलब हमारे मीम क्रिएटर्स को थोड़ा बहुत तो क्रेडिट मिलना चाहिए, राइट? अच्छा, इसके ऊपर फीचर किया गया था शिबा इनू डॉग एज इट्स मैस्कॉट। शिबा इनू इज वाइडली कंसिडर्ड टू बी एन अल्टरनेट टू डॉजकॉइन। टेरा मेरा रिश्ता पुराना, तभी तो मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आई हूँ पूरे 12 क्रिप्टो करेंसीज। वेल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट टेरा, व्हिच इज आल्सो नोन एज लूना. Using its currency Luna, Terra is a platform that helps backstop a range of stable coins based on real currencies such as dollar or euro. Terra helps stabilize the price of stable coins through various technical means, and it also supports smart contract. That was a lot of hard work. और ओवर टाइम भी हो गया है। आई होप कि मेरा हार्ड वर्क आपके थोड़ा बहुत तो काम आया होगा हार्ड कैश अर्न करने में। दिस इज मी यशस्वी आचार्य साइनिंग ऑफ। स्टे ट्यून्ड टू क्रिप्टो टीवी।